Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlord thinks I'm very hectic at work, but I am here to deliver uthando nesithembu. I am so sorry, please pardon me in advance. Ngizosifaka ngamanqampu. Not gonna make a very long video. I'll just talk with a wife there, about a wife there and there, right? But I just want to start ngoma khumalo. Will the bravest wife please stand up? This is exactly what I said on my TikTok video. Will the bravest wife please stand up? Not Makhumalo telling Macele indaba zakhe, telling Umseleku indaba zakhe, making sure that every one of them is in their place. Guys, let's give Makhumalo her flowers, because girl stood up when we thought Uguti she would never stand up. And I think Uguti at this point she is standing up because of the promises Umseleku keeps on making to them and never fulfills. Girl was promised Uguti akekho umfazi ozothathwa ohlala like ekasi lakhe. Like musa umuthi zorbona na ngase motho go kasile le one, so wena Paula awuna ntho tshwantse wa re ka yona ke tloera dilo direge. How dilo direge aziyenzegang ngakhe wamlanda uMakhwela. Mina I personally think ukuthi uMakhumalo went and did her own investigations about Mugel, right? And upon doing those own investigation about Mugel, found out how this one is close. Almost law. We have on udlalela khona la. But I am very disappointed ngoMacele. Sisazokhuluma ngayo ukuthi why am I disappointed? But can we clap hands for Umakhumalo rather, for making Umangwabe stand up, for making Umayeni stand up, and for making sure Uguti, if need be that she is hated, she is the first one to say, this not in my name. Not in my name. Please do like, share and subscribe and tell me what you think. I love you. Peace. Bye.